Advante Cool Mist Aroma Humidifier not only helps moisturize the surrounding area, but also has a built-in air ionizer that produce negative ions and a separate compartment for essential oil. Simply fill the water in the tank before placing above the bottom part. Once switch on, you may adjust the humidity level of your choice. Unscrew and pull out the lid in order to fill the essential oil. Insert essential oil bottle into the bottom part compartment by turning clockwise lightly. Use white vinegar and mixed with water to surface the generating disc. Then allow to rest between 4 to 5 minutes before cleaning with a soft clean brush.